Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
I hope everybody had a great weekend. Going back to work today, it was warm out there. Temperatures got into the low 90s in some spots, including a 90-degree for us here in Eugene. If you're watching this morning, or if not, we'll have more of a recap at 11 o'clock. Still continues to be the driest start on record for us here across the Eugene-Springfield area, and the 5th warmest summer that we've had so far. So it is kind of out and running as we expected with the lack of rain that we've had. We're probably going to see a pretty hot and dry summer for the most part. So we'll watch all that as we go towards August and September and kind of back things up and can take a look at the climatology of it. But otherwise, in the day-to-day operation, it is warm outside. We've got clear skies pretty much up and down the coast. Marine layer hanging offshore. This is a visual satellite, by the way. Clear as you get up into the mountains, too. No cumulus buildup. And in fact, you got to go all the way out towards northern Nevada to see some cumulus clouds starting to move across northern California as well, just south of Mount Shasta. And then again, we've also got a weak front sliding its way across the northwestern sliver of Montana, bringing a few showers and thunderstorms. So for the rest of the night tonight, it will stay clear outside. We'll see some partly cloudy conditions out towards the coast. And again, some of the marine layer fog moving back in. May get a quick hour or two inland. I think pretty much we're going to go clear skies, though. And I'll keep the temperatures down in the mid-50s to low 50s as we go towards early Tuesday morning. Check out some of the hot spots across the state today. 102 out in Medford, 95 in Klamath Falls, 100 degrees in Ontario, 102 in Rome, 97 in Pendleton, and mid-90s as you get towards Redmond. As we mentioned, the Warm Springs Reservoir Fire really starting to flare up this afternoon. We've got red flag warnings out as well, meaning very dry, hot conditions, not a lot of humidity expected. Those are all recipes for a lot of big fire growth, so something we'll be watching here. Still in the mid-90s, or low 90s, I should say, in Roseburg. We've got 87 pretty much from Corvallis down to Cottage Grove. Cooler out to the coast, 62 in Florence, 57 up towards Newport. Mountains slowly cooling off into the 70s and around 90 still in Bend. So what's in store for us, at least for the short term? More of the same. Ridge of high pressure, jet stream going all the way up into western Canada, produces a very, very hot forecast potential for us. So I'm expecting temperatures to likely get back into the low 90s tomorrow. Now, as we transition into late week, though, we've got an area of low pressure that will slide southward. Again, it's not strong enough to bring any showers, but at least we'll slice off a few degrees. Those afternoon highs get to a slightly more comfortable forecast as we get into the weekend, which be just in time for Lane County Fair to really get going as folks head out there for the weekend. So a sunny afternoon along the coast, low 60s in Newport, a little warmer as you get down towards Coos Bay and North Bend, holding in the mid-60s overall with the morning clouds Wednesday and Thursday, and mid-60s for the weekend. In the Umpqua Basin, a hot one tomorrow. Temperatures will be around 93 in Sutherland, 95 as you get down towards Myrtle Creek, staying in the 90s all the way through Friday, then slowly backing off with some morning clouds. Should help cool things down, too, into the upper 80s next week. Cascades, sunny and warm. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. We'll be looking at low to mid-90s in Bend and Redmond. Northeast winds means it will be very, very dry as well. And there's a slight chance we could see a couple of late afternoon thunderstorms fire on Wednesday before we cool off for the weekend. In the valley, sunny, hot tomorrow, guys. Good day to get the AC cranking. It will be probably pretty warm, not only through Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday. Then we start to take that transition back to a bit of a cooler forecasting. We'll take any relief we can get at this point.
All right. We'll do.
Hot.
Thank you.
Yep.